In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Substack on your website with this comprehensive 2025 guide. If you've ever wanted to integrate your Substack newsletter directly into your site, you're in the right place. This step-by-step process will guide you through it in just a few minutes. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, we'll make sure everything is clear and easy to follow. First things first, you'll need to log into your Substack account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials. If you happen to have multiple accounts or forgot your password, it's always a good idea to reset your password or confirm your email. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of Substack. Next, head over to the Profile section. Here you'll navigate to Settings, where you'll find the Publications tab. Click on your account to proceed. This area is essentially the nerve center of your Substack account where you can manage various elements related to your newsletter. After selecting your account, you'll need to click on the Settings option once again. Look for the gear icon on the left panel. This will guide you to where you need to be. Within this section, you'll find a wide range of settings and configurations that help you manage your Substack account effectively. Now let's move on to the growth section. This is particularly important because it involves strategies and settings that can help expand your audience and engagement. Within the growth section, you'll see various options to boost your newsletter's reach, but for today's purpose, focus on locating the HTML embed code for your sign-up form. Once you've found the HTML embed code for your sign-up form, go ahead and copy it. This code is crucial for embedding your Substack on your website. Ensure you copy the entire code snippet. Missing even a small part of it might cause your form to not display correctly on your site. Finally, navigate to your website where you'd like to place the Substack embed code. Usually this would be in the HTML or the editor section of your site. Paste the previously copied Substack embed code into the relevant part of your website. You might want to preview or refresh your website to ensure that the sign-up form displays correctly where you intended it to be. And that's it. You have successfully embedded Substack into your website. This setup not only enhances the functionality of your site, but also increases accessibility for your audience to connect with your newsletter. Remember, if you encounter any issues, revisiting these steps or consulting additional resources can often help troubleshoot any problems. Feel free to explore additional features within Substack to further enhance your newsletter's reach and engagement.